Bonjour! In this lesson, we are going to look at a verb called s'appeler. S'appeler. A verb called s'appeler. S'appeler means to be called. S'appeler means to be called. And it is from this verb s'appeler that you are going to derive I am called, you are called, he is called, she is called. We are called, you are called, they are called. So at the end of the day, you should be able to say your name in French. Now, how do you say I am called? I am called. Remember I told you je means I. Therefore, I am called is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. I am called. My name is. Je m'appelle Pauline. I am called Pauline. So wherever you are, say your name using je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Marc, je m'appelle Jean, je m'appelle Marie, je m'appelle Eunice. How do you say you are called in French? You are called, remember tu is you. Tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles. You are called. Tu t'appelles Pauline. You are called Pauline. Tu t'appelles Marc. You are called Marc. Tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles. Can you introduce that person who is next to you using tu, tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles? What about he is called? He is called is il s'appelle. Il s'appelle. Remember we looked at il meaning he. Therefore, he is called is il s'appelle. Il s'appelle. Il s'appelle. He is called. Il s'appelle Paul. He is called Paul. Il s'appelle Monsieur Kamau. He is called Mr. Kamau. What about she is called? She is called, you are going to use elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. She is called. Elle s'appelle Anne. Elle s'appelle Anne. She is called Anne. Elle s'appelle Pauline. She is called Pauline. Elle s'appelle Marie. She is called Mary. Therefore, I am called je m'appelle. You are called tu t'appelles. He is called il s'appelle. She is called elle s'appelle. We look at now the plural. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. Repeat that. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. We are called. We are called. We are called Pauline, Anne, Peter. That is, nous nous appelons Pauline, Anne, Pierre. Yeah, we are called, and then you say our names. We are called. We are called. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons is we are called. You are called. Plural when you're many. You are Pauline, Peter, Angela. You are called. Vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez Pauline, Pierre, Angela. You are called. When you are many. We said vous is the plural of tu. Vous is the plural of tu. Therefore, you're going to say vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez Pierre, Anne, Marie, Pauline. You are called when you are many. And also, you can also be one person. You can also be one person. Formal. Used in an office. Used to refer to a stranger. Used to refer to a person who is of a higher rank than you are. Maybe you are principal, you are boss, the manager. You're going to say you're going to use vous vous appelez Monsieur Paul. Vous vous appelez Monsieur Paul. So this one refers to many people or one person, but this one person is formal, a formal used from in a formal way. And then we have they are called, those men, those men. Il s'appelle, the plural of il s'appelle. He is called is they are called. Il s'appelle Paul et Pierre. They are called Paul and Peter. Il s'appelle Paul et Pierre. Il s'appelle Paul et Pierre. What about ladies? Many ladies. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Remember, elle means they, and it is a plural of elle. Elle. So elle s'appelle. She is called. They are called is elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle Anne et Pauline. They are called Anne and Pauline. What if you find two genders? We have Peter and Mary. Peter and Mary. When they are two genders, you are going to say they are called with il. You are going to use masculine form. Il s'appelle Pierre et Marie. Il s'appelle Pierre et Marie. In case you have a lady and a man, you are going to use il. Now look at these sentences. Look at these sentences. Look at these sentences. Let us read them together. Let us read them together. Je m'appelle Monsieur. You remember I taught you about Monsieur? Monsieur is Mr. Monsieur Kamau. Tu t'appelles Marie. You are called Marie. Nous nous appelons is we are called. Nous nous appelons Marie et Sédou. Marie et Sédou. Vous vous appelez Dorothée. Vous vous appelez Dorothée? The question. Vous vous appelez Dorothée? The question. Remember now this one we have used vous to refer to one person. This person could be a stranger. This person is a person you don't know. This person could be it could be in an office. This person could be your boss. Yeah. Then we have elle s'appelle. We said this one is Madame. Elle s'appelle Madame Kamau. Elle s'appelle Madame Kamau. And then we have il s'appelle Angela et Kamau. This is a lady. This is a man. Therefore, we are saying il. We use il s'appelle Angela et Kamau. Here below. This one we already looked at it. Monsieur. This one is Monsieur, or the abbreviation M means Monsieur, means Mr. And the plural of Monsieur is Monsieur. 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 Then we have Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle is Miss. It can be this way, written this way. Abbreviation is MLE. This one means Mademoiselle. Miss. And the plural of Miss is Mademoiselle. Then we have Madame. Madame means Madam or Mrs. Madam or Mrs. And the abbreviation is this is your me. This one is not read as me, it is read as Madame. And the plural of Madame is Mesdames. Now, this is an exercise. Look at this exercise and fill the gaps. Look at the exercise. Complétez les trous suivants. Complétez les trous suivants. Fill these dashes correctly. Fill them. And then, what are your answers? Here you're going to use, the answer here is tu t'appelles. Tu t'appelles Mayaka. Number 2, je. How do you say je? You say je m'appelle. Emma. Je m'appelle. What about here? Nous. Nous. It will be nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons Carson et Myriam. Here. What do you say here? We have Pierre, Peter, and Eunice. So I said when you have two genders, you're going to use il. Il. Il s'appelle Pierre et Eunice. And this one, here we are going to use a word that I'm going to teach you next. How to ask somebody's name. How to ask what is your name. Here you're going to use comment, a word called comment. Comment vous appelez? Vous appelez-vous, monsieur? Comment vous appelez-vous, monsieur? Comment vous appelez-vous, monsieur? That one takes us to our next. What we are going to do next is how to use this word comment. Comment. When you want to ask somebody's name. When you want to ask, what is your name? What is your name? We must use this word called comment. 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 And it depends with where you are going to place that comment. It depends with where you are going to place that comment. So now we have this tu t'appelles. Remember, tu t'appelles is you are called. Tu t'appelles. Tu t'appelles is you are called. Tu t'appelles is you are called. What if you place this comment in front? Comment in front, it becomes comment tu t'appelles. It now becomes a question. It now becomes a question. What is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Now you're asking one person, One person, a person who is close to you. What is your name? What is your name? Repeat that after me. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? And that person is going to say, my name is, or I am called. Therefore, he or she is going to say, je m'appelle Eunice. Je m'appelle Pierre. You have used the word comment. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? You can also use it as comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? It also means what is your name? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? What is your name? And I'll say je m'appelle Pauline. Je m'appelle Pierre. You can also use this. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? You are called who? What is your name? It means what is your name? Tu t'appelles, you see, tu t'appelles, and then you have put your comment at the end. You have put your comment at the end. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? And the response is je m'appelle Eunice. Je m'appelle Pierre. What about that person? That person, masculine or feminine? Comment s'appelle-t-il? What is his name up to here? Comment s'appelle-t-il? What is his name? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Comment s'appelle-t-il? What is his name? Comment s'appelle-t-il? You're going to say, il s'appelle Pierre. And what if it's female? You're going to say, comment s'appelle? Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Use elle. Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Remember the man is, comment s'appelle-t-il? Female. Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Comment s'appelle-t-elle? What is her name? What is her name? And you're going to say, the answer will be, elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle Madame Kimani. Elle s'appelle Madame Odhiambo. When it comes to plural, you're going to say, comment? Remember, it's vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez is you are called. What if now we put the word comment? What is your name? Comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? That is one way of asking what is your name. Asking many people. When there are many people, they are going to say, we are called. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Anne. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Marie. And again, it can be one person who is your senior, and the person is going to answer with je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. The most common one and formal is this. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? When you go to an office, your boss, or when you go for an interview, the interviewer will use comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? And you are going to say, je m'appelle Eunice. Je m'appelle Pierre. And again, you can also ask many people. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What are your names? We are called. They are going to answer with nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. You also have this one. You can also use this. Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez, and then you add the word comment. Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? Je m'appelle Madame Eunice. Or, when you are many, you're going to say, nous nous appelons Madame Eunice, Monsieur Pierre. We are called Madame Eunice, Mrs. Madame Eunice, Mr. Peter, like that. And then the plural, they are called who? What are their names? Men, eh? Il s'appelle comment? Men, you're going to say il s'appelle comment? And the female, you're going to ask elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle comment? So now we know how to use the word comment to ask somebody's name. Use the word comment and use any of this. Use any of this. And then here we have an exercise to do. We complete this exercise. We complete this exercise. Complete this exercise. Look at the exercise and complete it. Complete it. So now we know how to ask somebody their name. We know how to say our names. And since we started from, we did also greetings, you can greet somebody and ask them their name. Bonjour. Comment vous appelez-vous? And they answer with, je m'appelle Pierre. So, that is the end of our lesson. That is the end of our lesson. So, what are your answers here? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? What is your name? You have answered with the B answers and says, je m'appelle Eunice. Je m'appelle Pierre. Et toi? And you? Et toi? Et toi? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? You see, I've used the two ways, eh? Comment t'appelles-tu? And I've used also comment tu t'appelles. And then the answer, je m'appelle Marie. Et tes parents and your parents, comment s'appellent-ils? Remember, using the il plural. What are their names? What are their names? And you're going to answer with il s'appelle as plural. Eh? Il s'appelle Monsieur et Madame, Mr. and Mrs. Eh? Monsieur et Madame Kamau. Et toi and you, tes parents, your parents, s'appellent, are called who? Your parents are called who? What are their names? What are the names of your parents? Et tes parents s'appellent comment? And you are going to use il s'appelle, maybe Monsieur et Madame who? Kamau. Enchanté. Enchanté means pleasure. Pleasure. Enchanté. Pleasure to meet you. Enchanté. And the response is enchanté. Enchanté means pleasure. Pleasure. When you have met for the first time, you're going to say enchanté, and the response is enchanté. Au revoir. We looked at au revoir and it means goodbye, and the response is au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Merci, and that is the end of our lesson.